face.
Okay.
Off the face real good.
It's okay. It's okay. Hey, Daddy's here. It's okay. Hey, it's just water. You just came out from there. No, don't get cranky with him. Don't get cranky with him. He's just giving you a bath. He's just giving you a bath. You be good.
Some water.
Hey, it's okay. Whoa, spread eagle there, huh? He's okay. He's giving you a bath. It doesn't feel good? It's okay. It's okay.
Try to keep the cord as dry as you can.
Oh, okay.
Too far down because I don't want to.
Mess up the bracelets. Ellie! Ellie! It's okay. It's okay. Yeah. Daddy kisses make it all better. It's okay. Just a bath. Just a bath. It's just a bath. Calm down. Calm down. Is it done?
Almost.
Almost. Hey, he just changed the diaper. He's just changing the diaper. You hear me? He's cleaning you up. Cleaning you up. Yeah. See, this is my first bath. Tell him. See, I don't know how to react. My first one.
Kiddo, you'll like the shampoo here in just a minute.
Oh, Ellie. Ellie. Hey. It's okay.
If you're cleaning your little girl, make sure wet from front to back. Very important. So don't spread any extra germs there.
Look at that little girl. She's so beautiful. Yes, you're so beautiful. We done?
This part of it, yes.
Oh, what comes next?
Under the neck a little bit more here.
Hey. It's okay. Let him do what he's doing. Yes. Hey, don't you get cranky. Hey! Hey, Daddy's here. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay, baby girl. It's okay. We're gonna put another diaper on you. We're gonna have everything taken care of. Your first little teardrop, look at that. Yeah, you're not fake crying anymore, you're real crying. Yeah. Look at that. Clean diaper. Yes. See? How hard was that?